Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to process raw sea moss. First, carefully examine your raw sea moss for any ocean debris or sand. It's crucial to start with a clean product. Next, rinse the sea moss under cool, running water for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all loose particles are removed. Then, place the rinsed sea moss into a large bowl and cover it completely with filtered water. Let it soak for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to rehydrate and expand. After soaking, you'll notice the sea moss has expanded considerably, often 2 to 3 times its original size. This rehydration process is vital for achieving the right gel consistency. Drain the soaking water, then give the sea moss another good rinse under cool water. This second rinse helps remove any residual saltiness or ocean scent. Take a moment to pick through it, removing any small shells, rocks, or discolored bits that might remain. Now it's time to make the gel. Transfer the cleaned, rehydrated sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh filtered water, starting with a ratio of about 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of sea moss. Blend on high until you achieve a smooth, creamy, and consistent gel-like texture. You might need to add a little more water, 1/4 cup at a time, to reach your desired thickness. Pour the gel into a clean, airtight glass jar. Your freshly made sea moss gel is now ready to use. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will typically remain fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can easily incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons into your daily smoothies, juices, or even oatmeal for a nutritional boost. It's a versatile addition to many recipes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy. Enjoy the benefits of your homemade sea moss gel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.